You spoke politely, you treated everyone with kindness, yet people ignored your opinion, interrupted your words, or took you for granted. It hurts, doesn't it? What if I told you that respect is not something you beg for, chase after, or demand? Real respect is something you build through the way you think, speak, and carry yourself every single day. Welcome back to Next Level Motivation. If you want to grow your confidence, improve your mindset, and become the strongest version of yourself, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Now, let's discover how to make people respect you not by chasing who you are, but by becoming the person you were always meant to be. My first point is stop explaining every decisions. Many people lose respect because they explain too much. They feel they must justify every choice they make. They explain why they bought something, why they said no, or why they change a plan. But when you explain everything, it can make you look unsure of yourself. Imagine you decide not to attend a party. Instead of giving a long explanation, simply say, I can't make it this time. This is enough. You don't need a 5-minute speech. People respect those who are comfortable with their decisions. This doesn't mean being rude. It means trusting yourself. The more confidence you show in your choices, the more others will trust your judgment. Sometimes a short answer shows more strength than a long explanation. My second point is be comfortable with small disappointments. Many people say yes to everyone because they don't want anyone to feel disappointed. They cancel their own plans, ignore their needs, and try to keep everyone happy. Over time, people start taking them for granted. Think about a time when you were tried but still agreed to help someone because you felt guilty. You may have helped them, but you probably felt unhappy inside. It's okay if people feel disappointed sometimes. You cannot make everyone happy all the time. Respect grows when people see that you have your own priorities and values. A polite no is often healthier than a forced yes. The people who truly care about you will understand. Protecting your time doesn't make you selfish, it shows self respect. My third point is let your action finish your conversation. Many people talk about what they will do. They talk about starting a business, learning English, losing weight, or achieving big goals. But talking is easy, results are what people remember. Imagine two friends. One talks every day about becoming successful, the other quietly works on it goal. Months later, the second friend has real progress to show which one earns more respect. You don't need to announce every plan. Let your actions speak for you. When people see consistency, effort, and results, they naturally respect you. Words may get attention for a moment, but action creates lasting trust. The strongest message is often the success that speaks without saying word. My fourth point is respect your own time first. Time is one of the most valuable thing you have. Once it's gone, you can't never get it back. Yet many people give their time away too easily. They spend hours on things that don't matter. They allow others to interrupt their plans again and again. Imagine you have decided to study English for 1 hour every evening, then someone calls and wants to chat for no reason. If this happens every day and you always say yes, your goals will suffer. When you respect your own time, others begin to respect it too. You don't need to be rude. Simply let people know when you are busy. Protecting your time shows that your goals are important. People naturally respect those who take their responsibilities seriously. My fifth point is learn to stay calm during disagreement. Most people stay calm when everything is going well. The real test comes when someone disagrees with them. Some people become angry, raise their voice or say things they later regret. For example, think about a workplace meeting where two people were different opinion. One person gets upset and starts arguing. The other listen carefully and speak calmly. Which person looks stronger? Being calm doesn't mean you are weak. It means you are in control of yourself. When you stay respectful during disagreement, people notice your maturity. They may not always agree with you, but they will respect the way you handle difficult situations. A calm mind can solve problems that anger only makes worse. My sixth point is don't reward disrespect with extra attention. Sometimes people say rude things just to get a reaction. They want your attention. If you immediately become upset, argue, or try to defend yourself, you give them exactly what they wanted. Imagine some makes unfair comments about you. Your first reaction may be to prove them wrong, but not every comment deserves your energy. Some people are not looking for a conversation, they are looking for drama. When you stay calm and choose not to react to every negative remarks, you show emotional strength. This doesn't mean accepting bad treatment. It means choosing your battle wisely. Respect grows when people see that you are not controlled by every one opinion around you. Sometimes silence is more powerful than a long argument. My seventh point is keep your words on small things. Many people think respect comes from doing big things, but often respect is built through small action. If you tell someone you will call them tomorrow, then call them. If you promise to arrive at 10 o'clock, try your best to be on time. Trust is not created in one day, it grows little by little. Every time you keep your words, you add another bricks to the foundation of respect. Small promises may seem unimportant, but they reveal your character. My eighth point is have a life outside your people's opinion. Many people spend too much time worrying about what others think. They change their decisions, their style, or even their dreams just to get approval. The problem is that no matter what you do, someone will always have an opinion. Imagine wanting to start a YouTube channel. One person says it is not a great idea, another says it's a waste of time. If you listen to everyone, you may never start. People respect those who have their own directions in life. They listen to advice but do not let every opinion control them. When you focus on your goals instead of constant approval, you become more confident. Respect often comes when people see that you are living your life, not trying to please the crowd. My ninth point is ask better question instead of showing off knowledge. Some people enter every conversation trying to prove how smart they are. They talk most of the time and rarely listen. At first, this may impress a few people, but over time it can push others away. Now think about someone who asks thoughtful questions. They want to learn about others. They listen carefully and show genuine interest. People usually enjoy talking with them. You don't have to know everything to earn respect. In fact, admitting that you still have things to learn can make you stronger. Curious people grow faster because they keep learning. When people feel heard and valued, they naturally respect the person who took the time to listen. My 10th point is know when to leave the table. One of the hardest lessons in life is knowing when to walk away. Sometimes it is a friendship, a job, a group, or a situation where you are constantly disrespected. You keep hoping things will change, but nothing improves. Imagine sitting at a table where nobody listens to you, appreciate you, or treats you with kindness. Staying there for years will not create respect. Walking away is not always easy. It can be painful and emotional, but sometimes leaving is the strongest message you can send. It tells others that you know your value. You don't need to beg for respect where it doesn't exist. The moment you choose self respect, you begin teaching others how to treat you. As we come to the end of this message, remember one important thing: respect doesn't start with other people, it starts with you. The way you speak, the way you spend your time, the promises you keep, and the boundaries you set all send a message about how you see yourself. When you value yourself, people begins to notice. You don't need to loud, aggressive, or seek attention. Quiet confidence, honestly, and self-respect often leave the strongest impression. Every day gives you a new chance to make small choices that build respect and trust. Start with one change today and stay consistent. Small action can create a big difference over time. If you enjoyed this message and want to more content to help you grow stronger, wiser, and more confident, please subscribe to Next Level Motivation and join our community. Now tell me in the comment, which habit do you think earn the most respect and which one do you need to improve in your own life?